Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to this one. Today we are going to be talking about Canva for social media optimization. I'm going to teach you how to create social media designs that stand out and build your brand. Now, there's a two-part in this video. There is a theory side and um there is a theory side and there is a practical side. So today we are going to be doing the talking and we get into the practical eventually. So, why social media branding matters? Number one, your first impression happens online. Your visuals are your first handshake, trust and recognition. Consistent branding builds credibility and memorability. It drives results. Quality visuals influences click, follows, and sales. Professional edge. Canva makes it easy for you to look polished on every platform. So, social media banners and when it comes to social media banners and headline, we're going to be covering different platforms like maybe Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter with LinkedIn basically. And the best practice is number one, use correct dimensions for each platform. Add your logo or tagline. Keep your text minimal and clear. High quality image for professional feel. Now, when it comes to profile graphics and highlights, look, you can see in the end, you can see in the left hand side, you need to have a branded profile picture, design with logo overlay for instant brand recognition in all platform. Instagram highlights, you can also use it for Instagram highlights. You design your Instagram highlights, you know graphics. Everything can be designed like that. So, and you need to just maintain colors in of the icons. I'm going to show you how to do that when it comes to the practical aspect. Thumbnails and covers. When it comes to designing with designing thumbnails, like one thing I'm very very guilty for is I've been very very random when it comes to my social media. I used to use different colors. I used to use different design. I don't have a particular template for designing my YouTube thumbnails, but recently, even as I'm teaching this course, I've been learning that brand consistency, coloring is very very important, and I'm going to actually change because that is how to win in these times. So YouTube and TikTok thumbnails, very very important that you maintain consistency in colors and all. Facebook and LinkedIn covers as well. If you're using red, black and white, you maintain that. It will give you more credibility than when you're going left, right, and center. So consistency across platforms, like I used to say, you need to keep maintaining same colors when you want to like design all those stuff. So social media optimization tip. Number one, keep text short and readable. Use construct for mobile. Add clear CTA. Stay fresh and consistent. Lastly, I want us to like do this one now. We create a banner. We'll use a magic resize to repurpose it for everywhere. Then we are going to also save multiple versions and exports. So let's go. Your digital storefront. Social media is your brand. It's your digital storefront. Make it count with professional banner covers, graphics that reflect your quality. So what have you learned currently? Put it in the comment section. What you've learned currently, put it in the comment section. Let me know. Then again, just you just need to know optimization of of all your social media is very very important. So let's get down into the next one.